Okay, we're going to move on to an example here, but I wanted to come back and revisit this right here using all three methods mentioned to find the area of a figure. All right, and we could count the unit squares, use repeated addition, or use multiplication. So we're going to put that to the test on page 656. So turning to page 656. And we're going to solve this problem here using all three of these methods. Now, it doesn't really call for it, so you can just sit back and look at this, make sure that you understand how we're doing it, and then just get it filled in, okay? And I'm also going to be using three different colors here to kind of separate them out. So the first example that we saw on the previous page is that we can count the number of unit squares, and that was just coming across and counting. Okay, so if I'm counting, I would go 1 and then count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know I got 11 right here. All right, count across there and then get, let's see, 21 right here, going all the way across, get 31 right here, so that my last one is 40. Okay, so that would be counting it all the way across. Right, so yes, we can do that. Might be a little time consuming, and you got to find a way to kind of keep track of the squares you're counting, but it's a reliable method that we can use. The second one was using repeated addition. So I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 rows. All right, 4 rows that go across. And in each of these rows, I have 10 unit squares. All right, so I have 10 in this one, and 10 here, in this one, and 10 right here. So using repeated addition, and I'm going to go ahead and just make sure we're staying consistent with our colors there. Once I get these added up, I would end up with 40. All right, so there is my repeated addition. And then I can use multiplication. So what I have is 4 rows here. All right, and they kind of give you a really good hint up here, 4 rows of 10 unit squares. So and we know it has 10 unit squares because we figured that out in the last one. So 4 right here. Okay, 4 is right here. And then we've got 10 right here. So what we would do is take 4 times 10 to get 40. So the area is 40 square feet. And we can definitely use multiplication on that one. So 3 different methods. Sometimes one might work better than the other, but you have multiple ways to find the area of an object.